Cats are adorable pets known for their agility and curiosity. They love to chase toys and take long naps in sunny spots. Dog. Dogs are loyal companions, coming in various breeds, each with its own personality. They enjoy playing fetch and going for walks. Bear. Bears are large and powerful creatures that hibernate during the winter. They have a strong sense of smell and love to forage for food. Rabbit. Rabbits are quick hoppers with long ears. They're herbivores and enjoy nibbling on fresh greens and carrots. Owl. Owls are fascinating nocturnal birds of prey. Their silent flight and large eyes make them expert hunters in the dark. Caterpillar. Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies and moths. They crawl on leaves and go through a magical transformation. Cow. Cows are gentle herbivores found on farms. They provide milk and have a calm demeanor. Monkey. Monkeys are intelligent and playful primates. They swing from trees and have a knack for problem solving. Sloth. Sloths are slow-moving creatures that hang from trees. They spend most of their time sleeping and moving leisurely. Fox. Foxes are clever and agile predators with bushy tails. They're known for their cunning and adaptability. Chicken. Chickens are domestic birds that lay eggs. They come in various breeds and are essential for poultry farming. Horse. Horses are majestic animals used for transportation and sports. They have a strong bond with humans. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, known for their intelligence and long trunks. They are social and herbivorous. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds with the ability to mimic human speech. They are popular as pets due to their entertaining personalities. Zebra. Zebras are strikingly striped animals found in Africa. Their unique patterns make them easily recognizable. Koala. Koalas are tree-dwelling marsupials that feed on eucalyptus leaves. They're known for their cuddly appearance. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are marsupials known for their powerful hind legs, hopping ability, and pouches for carrying their young. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with long necks and a gentle disposition. They feed on leaves from tall trees. Lion. Lions are majestic big cats that live in prides. They are apex predators and symbolize strength. Rhinoceros. Rhinos are large mammals with a horn on their snouts. They are herbivores and face the threat of extinction. Crocodile. Crocodiles are formidable reptiles that inhabit water bodies. They are skilled predators and excellent swimmers. Tortoise. Tortoises are slow-moving reptiles with protective shells. They have a long lifespan and are known for their resilience. Wolf. Wolves are social pack animals known for their teamwork in hunting. They have a strong sense of family. Squirrel. Squirrels are agile rodents that live in trees. They hoard nuts and are known for their acrobatic leaps. Bat. Bats are flying mammals that come out at night. They play a crucial role in pollination and insect control. Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds adapted to a life in the water. They have a waddling walk and are expert swimmers. Snake. Snakes are legless reptiles with a wide variety of species. Some are venomous, while others are not. Panda. Pandas are bamboo-eating bears known for their black and white fur and peaceful demeanor. Sheep. Sheep are domesticated herbivores valued for their wool and meat. They live in flocks and graze on grass. Donkey. Donkeys are hard-working and sure-footed animals often used for carrying loads or as loyal companions.